Gel filtration column chromatography or a size exclusion column chromatography. It is also called as gel permeation column chromatography. Separation of proteins on the basis of molecular weight. So in this column chromatography, the mixture of protein having two different molecular weights separated by passing through the stationary phase. Stationary phase is nothing but compactly packed gel present in the column, and this stationary phase followed by application of mobile phase, which is nothing but buffer, which is in liquid nature. And when mobile phase percolate through the column under the force of gravity, the two different proteins having different molecular weight are separated on the basis of their size or molecular size. This type of chromatography is called as molecular sieve chromatography. Here, suppose this capital A is high molecular weight protein and small a is low molecular weight protein. When the mixture of this protein applied on the column, then the capital A indicate large molecular weight protein percolate through the column via the interstitial space present in between the gel beads, and the small a, being as a small molecular weight protein, enter inside the pores present in the gel bead structure. So the small a protein is enter inside the pores present in the gel bead structure, and capital A, being as a large molecular weight, pass through the interstitial space. So the volume of mobile phase experienced by the large molecular weight protein is very less because it is not able to enter inside the gel bead properly. So it is eluted first. Then the volume of the mobile phase experienced by small molecular weight protein is more because it is present inside the pores present in the gel bead, and after some time this complete elution of the large molecular weight protein, the small molecular weight protein eluted out, and then it is present in the second fraction. So when we consider the separation of protein on the basis of this molecular size or molecular weight, gel filtration chromatography is used. So both large and small molecular weight protein, if they are present in the mixture, then we are separate depending upon their molecular size. The first eluted fraction having of high molecular weight protein, followed by second fraction is for low molecular weight protein or small molecular weight protein, which enter inside the pores present in the gel bead. This type of column chromatography is separation on the basis of molecular size. So the different nomenclatures are given: separation on the basis of molecular size, separation molecular sieve chromatography, gel permeation, gel filtration chromatography, etc. In next lecture we are going to study what is the volume or elution volume required to elute the sample containing different molecular weight protein, and how they are separated, what is the volume of mobile phase experienced by that sample, and we must know the fractionation range or fractionation capacity of the gel beads. So whatever the stationary phase used in this column chromatography gel beads, generally commercially available Cefadex G25 Cefadex type of gel beads are used, and column is glass column like the burette. So the person working on gel filtration chromatography, he or she must know the fractionation capacity or fractionation range of the gel, due to which it is possible to conclude in which fraction our sample is coming, and for this we must know the molecular weight of the protein to be separated. So before applying the sample, one must know the fractionation range or fractionation capacity of that gel beads. So the principle of this column chromatography as separation on the basis of molecular weight. So this is about the basics of gel filtration column chromatography. Next lecture we are going to study the detailed mechanism, the KD value, partition coefficient means what, and how elution volume, what is the void volume, and what is the inner volume or whatever the volume of the mobile phase present in between the gel beads as well as pores in the gel beads, how it is calculated, and what is the detailed mechanism in next topic. Thank you very much.